this video introduces a new tool for handling curtain panels in Revit. Manual adjustments can be repetitive and slow. This tool streamlines the process, saving time and making design work easier. Here's an example I worked on. It's the cultural media tower facade, a huge surface that needs to be designed as accurately as possible in minimal time. Without this tool, the process would take too long and be very tedious. With it, you can complete the entire design in just a few minutes. Here we see the cultural tower facade after being designed in just a few minutes using the tool. The overall pattern is applied consistently across the entire surface while keeping accuracy and alignment. This approach allows quick adjustments and a smooth workflow, even on large-scale facades. Now I will show you how the tool works on a large curtain panel facade. Here we have this tower. The height is 120 meters. Here, we will open the tool. The first input is the background material name used for the facade background. Next, we enter the text we want to write on the panels. Here, we control the scale using 3 preset levels, 1, 1.5, and 2. Then, we select the surface containing the curtain panels with a single click. Here, we control the word spacing using this slider. And here, we control the text start position by column and row. Then, we enter the material name for the text. Then, we run the tool. As you see, with a single click, the curtain panels instantly update to form the text. And as shown here, different materials are applied to the text and the background. As you can see, the text is not horizontal. The tool's rotation slider allows us to rotate the text in 4 directions. So the text is rotated to the horizontal direction with just one click. What if you need to enter more than one word on multiple lines? The tool can handle that with just one click. Here, whenever we have more than one word, whether horizontal or vertical, we can easily adjust the space between them simply by moving this slider. In this tool, we can change the material of the background panels and also the material of the text panels. Then, with just one click, the whole look of the tower will change according to the entered materials. This tool works on surfaces in any orientation. Here it's applied to a different one. Here we apply different scales on the same word. What if the surface isn't flat? Here we have a cylindrical tower. We enter the text for the curtain panels, select the surface, and then hit Run. As we see, the panel's material changes according to the text we entered. What if the surface is curved instead of flat? Don't worry, you can still control it. Just enter the text you want, select the surface, and then hit Run to see it apply. As shown in this video, the tool is not limited. We're not restricted to just text or letters. We can also use it to draw shapes, control high-level parameters, or automate any aspect of the curtain panels. This is version 1, and if an upgrade is needed, I'll work on version 2 with smarter control abilities. Thank you for watching. Wait me in the next video.